What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing a CRF125 air filter pre-oiled from Twin Air. It's a 2018 CRF125 big wheel, and I'm going to show you how. All right, first of all, you're going to need a 10mm socket. There's two 10mm bolts right here. I'm kind of blind. Right there. Take the seat off. Now we have the screws removed, we're going to pop the seat off. It just slides back right there. That's what it should look like down there. All right. You're going to have to take out the left access panel, the side where the shifter is. You have an 8mm bolt right here. And this just pops off. There's a little pop off right there. This is your air box. Pop these off. And in there is going to be the actual air filter. The air filter is on a cradle. So what you're going to do is pop this off. It's pretty nasty. Put this bad boy in. Like I said, this is pre-oiled. Put those little tiny holes. Fits right back in. There's just a little hook right here. You just pop off, it holds it right in, holds it tight right there. So there's a suction around that air housing right there. Make sure it's all flush. And you just repeat. Put this back in. Pop that on. Pop that on. That's just our battery finger. These things need batteries. You leave the keys on, you know. Put that back on. Yeah. Get the 8mm bolt off there. All right, and you're just gonna put the seat back in. It slides right back in. And this little hook right here goes underneath this thing. So, good shot at it. Slide it right back in. There we go. And you're just going to put the two 10mm bolts back in and you're all good to go. Not too shabby for a fat man on a little bike.